In a bid to ensure the safety and overall well-being of children in schools, the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, in collaboration with the Office of Education Quality Assurance, organized a sensitization program to engage heads and administrators of schools in implementing the Lagos State Safeguarding and Child Protection Policy.
What are you doing to protect that child being neglected, even from home, by the parents? How do you know a child is being neglected? If you are friendly, you'll be surprised that you can easily identify if she's going through a tough time or not. And that will be able to tell you what he or she is going through.
The sensitization program aims at educating principals and heads of schools located in the Lagos State Education Districts.
Safeguarding and child protection is at the core of learning. There's no way children are going to be able to be productive. There's no way teachers are going to be able to do their jobs effectively when there are inadequate systems, processes, procedures, protocols to ensure safety and child protection.
The Executive Secretary of Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Mrs. Titilola Vivo Adeniyi, reiterated the need to ensure the safety and overall well-being of children.
It's important that we enlighten these critical stakeholders that play a very, very huge role in ensuring that our children are protected and safe, especially whilst in their custody. It encourages institutions, child-centered institutions, to create systems and structures in place to prevent the occurrence of child abuse in the first place.
The Director General, Office of Education Quality Assurance, Mrs. Abiola Seriki Ayeni, emphasized the need for schools to put precautionary measures in place to ensure the safety of the children.
It is absolutely important for them to have these sessions to just further remind them of their responsibilities as teachers, as head teachers, principals, to ensure that all of the protocols, processes, procedures are in place.
Facilitators at the event highlighted some measures that school administrators can put in place to begin safeguarding children, as it is mandatory for all child caregivers.
My advice to them is that they have to take responsibility. Children did not write application to come to this world. They came to this world on our invitation. I haven't invited them to come to this world. We must be responsible. We have to make a commitment to protect these our children. We must make a commitment to take responsibility.
The educators, who are described by law as mandatory reporters of any suspicious action against children, share their learning points from the seminar.
We should have a designated officer that will be in charge. And schools are not the judge for any child molestation. If anything happens, if there is any occurrence, the school is to get a referral form you fill and then invite the ministry. We have a unit that will always look into that. We've been told that the moment we are suspecting, we need to take action immediately by informing the appropriate authorities so that it can be taken over from there right away.
You have to go extra mile, knowing these students. First, you have to make them to relate more to you. Make your office an open door for them to be able to come. They should be free with you.
I'm happy that Lagos State is on top of its game right now regarding safeguarding. Knowing fully well that Lagos State has empowered schools because they have a policy that is very active. It's going to go a long way to, to help, even for the children to thrive. It will help a lot.
With all stakeholders ensuring the rights of children are adequately protected, a positive ripple effect on a decrease in child abuse cases is expected.